Hi friends, welcome to Brihati Jeshpita. Today I'm going to tell you how did we got the Varli art and the basics of Varli art. In Maharashtra, we have Mumbai. There was a mountain bridge called as Northern Sayadri Range. The people there lived in mud houses. They painted on walls. The paintings they did were in the shapes of circle, triangle, and a square. The people who lived here were called as Varli tribes. They used to draw their day to day life and their social life. That's why we got the name as Varli art. Now I'm going to show you some shapes that can be used in Varli art. The first shape is circle. Once more I'll show you. The next shape is a slanting curve. The next shape is opposite slanting curve. The next shape is into. The next shape is standing opposite triangles. You can even draw first the sleeping lines, then draw the triangle. Once more I'll repeat it. The next shape is sleeping line. The next shape is sleeping triangles. Once more I'll repeat it. The next shape is draw a circle and fill it. Once more I'll show you. The next shape is draw a V. The other shape is draw a sleeping V and one more V inside it. One more shape is draw a K. The next shape is draw a opposite K. Draw a sleeping V and 3 V's inside it. This is one more kind of pattern. The next shape is draw a V and one more V inside it and do the same at the opposite side. Now draw a circle at the middle and fill it. Once again I'll repeat it. The next shape is draw a triangle and fill inside it. You can draw the slanting lines at any side of the triangle. Now I'm going to show you some borders that can be drawn in Varli art. The first border is draw a zigzag. Now draw the circles in the middle and fill them. Now I'll show you one more border with the zigzag. Draw the zigzag and draw the triangles which is facing upwards and downwards. Then fill inside them. The other border is draw a big sleeping line, then draw the standing lines, then draw a circle and fill inside them. Now I am going to tell you the new formula to show Varley figure in side face. The formula is K, I, O and a stick. Now, while using the formula, we will draw the side-faced Varley figure. Draw a circle, then use I to make the neck, then use K to make the side-facing Varley figure. Now we will use the formula stick to make the hands and legs of the Varley figure. Now we will make some grass on the top of the Varley figure. This is a side-facing Varley figure. Now we will make the opposite K and make the opposite side-facing Varley figure. Using the formula K, we will make the body of the Varley figure. Then we will use I to make the neck of the Varley figure. Then O to make the face of the Varley figure. And we will use formula stick to make the hands and legs of the Varley figure. Now let's color the face of the Varley figure. This is the dance form Varley figure. This is working men. Now let's do the woman in the Varley form. We have done the drawing of the woman in the Varley form. This is the man figure in the Varley form. Now, using the Varley form, we will make the girl child. Now we will use K to make the body and I to make the neck and O to make the face. Then we will use the formula stick and make hands and legs. Now color the face and body. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you can see. In the next part of the Varley art, I am going to show you how to make goat, cow, birds in the Varley form. Thank you for watching Brihathi Jashpata.